Fewer homes sold this March than last March, but the median sold price is up 2% year over year, despite homes taking 70% more time to sell than last March. It's Friday, April 3rd, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. 4,717 homes sold this March at a median sold price of $430,000 and in 22 days. Last March, 5,080 homes sold in 13 days at a median sold price of $421,756. More homes are poised to come soon, 1,648 more units at a median $499,000. 2,133 homes were listed for sale this report at a median sales price of $439,999. 1,715 units went under contract in 12 days at a median list price of $429,900. 1,417 units sold in 18 days at 100% list to sold ratio and at a median sold price of $435,000. There are 3,155 rental properties listed for a median $2,500 per month. These have been listed for 40 median days. 1,383 homes were rented in March at a median $2,600 per month and in 38 days. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, April 3rd, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.